Well, we had a pretty ambitious project, and one of the reasons why we went with Sosna is they showed us that they can deliver projects on time when we checked with some of their other previous customers. And as it turned out, our 9-week schedule was bang on in terms of completion. We were very satisfied that we were able to get the house back in our hands, I guess, for December and the holiday season.
Very happy.
Yeah. So one of the major things and concerns we had was we had to have, basically the whole front, the whole main floor was done, but the kitchen area, there was some engineering and some new wiring and things to play, and we were worried about potentially some unforeseen I guess, issues arising. As it turned out, everything worked out great. Sosna was able to accommodate the removal of the wall with minimal fuss and engineering work. We found that the new space is fantastic with the open concept.
Wonderful.
And with the bigger counter and display in the island of it and everything. It just suits our lifestyle so much more now. We're just amazed with how much it's changed our house,
So happy.
and we are very happy with how it's finished off.
One of my concerns was living in the mess, and Sosna was very clean every day. They cleaned up and did their best to make sure that we were living in a space that was as clean as possible. So that was one of my concerns, and it was a great experience.
We happily recommend them to other families that need to do this type of work, and
Thank you.
Thank you very much,
Thank you,
Sosna.
Sosna.
for
Wonderful. We're
this
very, very
project.
happy. Thank you.
And we've been enjoying the house now for a couple of months, and we look forward to many happy years here.
That's right.
Thank you.
Thank you.